Alright, got some snow. Started early. Got my car heating up. Heading to work. Before 8 o'clock with my crazy hair. Whew. It's a little chilly. It's a little chilly. Woo! This snow wasn't supposed to start until 8:03. It's 7:50 and it's already coming down like crazy. I'm heading to work. Crazy hair, a couple of hoodies. Catch you later. Stay safe, stay healthy. I need a haircut. Let's see what we got going on here. 32 degrees. I don't know if I'm gonna need my four-wheel yet. Looking like 6 inches of snow forecasted for Rhode. I don't know. Sunday morning, 7:51 a.m. I think it's headed to work. Not sure how these roads are gonna be. Snow was not supposed to start till 8:03. I said, alright, I'll leave just before 8 before it hits. And it started early. Not sure what weather's gonna bring. This kid's gotta work all day, so we'll see what happens. Shall see. Bundled up. Look at that. It's kind of a mix, snow and rain. I feel like a newscaster. It's like a snowy, rainy kind of thing going on, but whatever is going on is sticking pretty quick. It just started. Not that long ago, that's for sure. I don't know. 20 minutes ago, because I looked out the window not that long before and it wasn't doing nothing. It's winter. Fun times. Hey. Heat on 90. Got the heat on 90. Ah. Suppose we should stop and get some gas. Not sure what today is gonna bring as far as weather. Alright. We'll be back at some point. Oh, I gotta work. Okay. Pulled up to work. I'm waiting for at least one person to come in so I can go unlock these doors. Oh, but here comes somebody now. Good. Beautiful. Alright, guys, have a good day. I'm out in a snowstorm, going to work with pneumonia. Enlarged lungs. And enlarged lymph nodes. I realize Monday's a holiday, so I won't even be able to get in touch with anybody. So, alright, we'll get through this day. Peace out. Enjoy your day. If you go out, just be careful, because I don't know what this weather's